Hello everyone, and welcome to EV Texan. If you receive the message on your dash stating that your Keyfob battery is low, you can replace it in just a few minutes and save yourself a trip to the service center by following these steps. You'll need just three things: a small, flat blade screwdriver, a CR2032 coin cell battery, and, of course, your Tesla Keyfob. To begin, take your fob and flip it on over. You'll see a small indentation right beside the S in the Model S wording on the back. Use your small flat blade screwdriver to gently pry up on this to release the battery door. Next, remove the old battery by gently prying between these two bumps right here on the front end of the key fob. The battery should pop out with minimal effort. Place the new battery under this single bump here and snap it into place. Refit the cover by placing the Model S labeled side in first and snapping the plastic on the front into place. And there you have it, fresh battery in your key fob. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I hope y'all have a great day.